Hello, everyone. Today I'm going to be talking through the weight loss and fitness tracker in both Google Sheets and Excel. If you have already purchased this tracker, thank you so much for your order. And if you've stumbled across this video and you're looking for a good way to track all of your fitness goals, I'll include a link below to the template. Feel free to purchase and follow along. Right now I have the Google Sheets version open, but you can also bring up Excel and follow along in either. So when you open up the tracker, you are going to first land on the dashboard. It's going to look pretty blank, but all of this is going to come to life as you start populating it. So the first thing that we are going to want to do is start in this little section, summary and goals. You're going to start by putting in the start date of when you want to start tracking your goals. And then you also want to put in an end date. So say in this case, you just want to track over a month. You can track as long as you want, but that'll be your end date. And then you're going to put in your start weight as of your start date. So in this case, let's say that. If you want to change pounds to kilograms, you can just use that little drop down and do that as well. And then you're going to put in your goal weight. You're also going to be tracking your BMI. So go ahead and put in your start BMI and then your goal BMI. And then you can put in a daily water goal. So this is how many ounces of water you would like to drink every day. And then on the right-hand side, you are going to be putting in your exercise and your food goals. So this is going to be your daily exercise goal, your daily calories that you would like to burn, your daily calories that you would like to eat, and then same thing for protein, fat, carbs, and sugar. So all of these goals, what's really cool is they are going to be pulled in to your health tracker, and we're going to jump there next. So your health tracker, you're actually going to start to see that some of it is automatically populating for you as you come here. So it's automatically going to pull in your first start date, your starting weight, your starting BMI, and then you would start basically right here and putting in your daily exercise all the way through notes. So in this case, let's start kind of putting in some numbers here just to kind of see this come to life. Okay, so a couple things to notice here. So your goals up top automatically populate for you. There's nothing that you need to retype right here. It's going to automatically pull from everything that you entered on the dashboard. So as you enter in your daily exercise and then calories burned all the way through water intake, you're going to notice that things automatically turn red if you are not on track for your goal. So in this case, you burn less calories for this day than your goal of 500. So it's going to turn red just to alert you. In this case, you intook more calories than your goal. You ate less protein than your goal. You ate more fat than your goal, more carbs, more sugar, and less water. And then this area over here, feel free to expand the notes section. This is a really cool spot to really use this as a food journal, a weight loss journal, to take notes about your mood, your sleepiness, the weather, different things that can impact your goals. So let's go ahead and start populating in a bunch more as well. And then one thing I want to point out, so as you start populating in your weight, it's going to automatically calculate your difference. So what's really exciting about this is it'll tell you you're down 5 pounds today towards your goal, which is really cool. And then it's actually going to be the same for your BMI as well. So it'll show you your difference and that automatically calculates for you. And I am just going to populate basically a whole week in here, just so everyone can see this kind of come to life. Okay, so let's hop back over to the dashboard and I can show you all of these wonderful charts are going to be coming to life. So first thing that I want to point out is your countdown. So this is going to be the days left from today to your end date, and that's going to automatically calculate for you. Over here, it is going to automatically average what your daily exercise is and your average calories burned a day. And if this is less than your goal, it's going to automatically turn red. And if it's less than your goal, it's automatically going to turn red for you as well. And then here's your food overview. So if your intake is greater than your calorie intake, it'll turn red. If your protein intake is less than your protein goal, it'll turn red. And then the same applies for fat, carb, sugar, and water over here as well. So that's a really nice overview to kind of see where you're tracking. And then as you scroll down in the dashboard, this is going to be a really nice place to view your weight loss tracking. So up here, your goal weight is 160 pounds. As you track throughout the entire period, you'll see if you are getting close to 160 pounds, and you can visualize that right here as well. And then same with your BMI, you can visualize that here. And then the next section is an exercise tracking section. So it'll not only show you the calories burned by day, but also your daily exercise by day, which is pretty cool. And then food tracking. So it's going to show you not only the calories that you're intaking, but it'll show you a protein tracker, a fat tracker, carbs, sugar, and water, all in one view. And as you add in more dates, these charts will accommodate that as well. So that is an overview of the dashboard. It's a really great place to track all of your health goals in one view, and not only just to hit your weight loss goals, but hit your exercise and food goals. So thank you so much for following along, and I will see you in the next video.